What is phonemic awareness? It is the ability to think about the individual sounds in a spoken word. For example, when I say the word cat, it's actually made of 3 speech sounds: k, a, t. Each individual speech sound is called a phoneme. A student has phonemic awareness when they are able to identify and say each of the sounds that make up a word. Kim, can you tell me the sounds that you hear in the word cat?
Cat. K, a, t.
And Kim, can you put those sounds back together to make a word?
Cat. Ah.
Great. When a student masters this critical skill, they will be able to understand that changing just one of the phonemes in a word, like changing the k sound to a b sound, changes the meaning of the word. So why is phonemic awareness important for reading? If a student knows there are phonemes in words, then the student can grasp the idea that these speech sounds can be represented by letters. And students will realize they can use these letters to sound out words to read and spell.
B, a, t. Bat. It says bat. Wait, come back.
Students who cannot break apart one-syllable spoken words into phonemes are not quite ready to decode or sound out written words.
Thanks for watching! If you want to get more videos, classroom resources, and lesson guides to go along with this video, visit WordScientists.org. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave a comment below and let us know how you use these videos. We read all your comments.